I'm Jair Carvalho from Bazaar Travel Team. Bazaar Travel is a travel marketplace and app that covers all steps of travel journeys, meaning from the destination inspiration to the new journey started. At the first sight, it looks like nothing new under the sun, doesn't it? Another travel sign and app. Actually, I'm here to say no. Our Bazaar Travel is proposing a unique collaboration platform based on an economically profitable, sustainable business model by using digital technologies. We target three audiences. First one is leisure and business travelers by streamlining and simplifying their travel arrangements, respecting all kinds of diversity groups. Second, travel ecosystem agents by offering a low-cost distribution system and qualified audience, including small travel business in small villages. In addition to that, all travel-related accessories. Third one, government and community by promoting country culture awareness, like for instance folk events. Offering a kind of Uberization of tourism service, giving all tourism workforce opportunity for work on a job-by-job basis on the platform. As a virtual travel agent, selling and providing assistance to Bazaar customers. This would save part of the more than 250,000 jobs lost during the pandemic. Finally, our Bazaar solutions intend to contribute in conjunction with our travel industry ecosystem to rebuild the business environment in a sense of collaboration and sustainability. We strongly believe that in a very short time, the right use of technology will give us a new opportunity to know each other better, understand what really matters to us, and finally figure out how fascinating is the power of transformation when we work together in a common goals. It explains our quote. We are here to meet, understand, and fascinate you.